Athens, where history meets modernity. Discover Athens, a city where ancient history and vibrant modern life come together in a breathtaking blend. As the cradle of Western civilization, Athens offers a unique journey through time, filled with cultural wonders and lively experiences. Ancient wonders, begin your exploration at the Acropolis, home to the iconic Parthenon. Walk among the ruins of this ancient citadel and take in panoramic views of the city. Don't miss the Acropolis Museum, where you can delve deeper into Greece's storied past. Historical sites, wander through the ancient Agora, once the heart of public life in Athens, and visit the Temple of Hephaestus, one of the best preserved Greek temples. The Odeon of Herodes Atticus, a stone theatre still in use today, offers a glimpse into the cultural life of ancient Athenians. Vibrant neighborhoods, explore the lively Plaka district with its narrow, winding streets, traditional tavernas, and charming shops. Monastirarchy, with its bustling markets and vibrant atmosphere, is perfect for those seeking a taste of local life. Culinary delights, savor the flavors of Greek cuisine, from fresh seafood and succulent souvlaki to delicious moussaka and traditional Greek salads. Enjoy a meal at a rooftop restaurant with stunning views of the Acropolis. Cultural experiences, Athens is not just about the past. Visit the National Archaeological Museum, home to an extensive collection of ancient artifacts, or explore contemporary art at the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center. The city's theaters and music venues offer a rich cultural program year-round. Picturesque streets, stroll through the picturesque streets of Anaphiotika, a charming neighborhood that feels like a Greek island village. Enjoy the serene beauty of the National Garden, an oasis of greenery in the heart of the city. Nightlife, as night falls, Athens comes alive with vibrant nightlife. Experience the city's dynamic bar scene in neighborhoods like Siri and Ghazi, or enjoy a cocktail with a view at a rooftop bar. Timeless beauty, from the ancient ruins to the bustling modern city, Athens offers a timeless beauty that captivates every visitor. Whether you're exploring historic sites, enjoying local cuisine, or simply soaking in the atmosphere, Athens promises an unforgettable adventure. Athens is more than a destination, it's a journey through history and culture, where every corner holds a story. Let this enchanting city sweep you off your feet and create memories that will last a lifetime.